Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to do our Monster Box Challenge. So I'm going to put $50 into here every other week because I do only get paid twice a month. So I am splitting it between the Monster Box Challenge and At the Mall Challenge. So today we're going to do Monster Challenge. Next week we will do At the Mall. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I have completed quite a lot of Monster Town already. Obviously before I started filming again. So we are almost done with the first section. I have the bigger add-on section. I have all of the add-on packs or the expansion packs. So I do have. So I've decided as well, since this one only has one card that I think for this one, I'm just gonna start off by putting an amount in here. I'm gonna put $6 because we have a big $6 to try to get out of the way because this is gonna be a big saver. So obviously it's gonna take us some time. And so here are our cards. We're gonna maybe shuffle them up. Let's not look at them. All right, I'm sure they're probably going to be the order's going to be all funky. And we also have the Monster Movies, which is almost done. I kind of use that as a catch-all at the end. All right, search and save. So we are at Halloween. Okay. So that one is $6. How is everybody doing this week? I am excited to finally be filming some videos. That way we can, yeah, these are definitely messed up. So, or not, they're not messed up. They're just not shuffled very well. We'll go ahead and try to shuffle them again because it's not good. That's not good. Well, okay. All right, perfect. I think that is, I did print out I bought all of the expansion packs and everything all at one time. So hopefully, okay. I was like, hopefully I didn't get any of the expansion packs mixed up. So didn't we just do this one? Oh no. Okay, hold on. Let's go back. I don't know how we got another Halloween one. Okay. Oh, that one's back there. Okay. So that one I messed up. So this one, the first one we pulled was supposed to be $7. Okay. And just like that, that card is almost done. Let's try to not pull any more Halloween. I mean, I wouldn't be mad if we finished it, but that's not what I want to do just yet. Search and save. It looks like the garden or the, what is it? Is it in this one? Yeah, okay, the florist. And he is $2. And $50 surely does go fast when you are doing these box challenge. Okay, and Junior comes to visit the monsters. Here we go, $4. I only have a 3. Let's go ahead and exchange. Well, hold on. Let me see about our Halloween one, since that that got a lot. Let's see if it has 5 ones. No, of course it does. Okay, let's go back. Where'd it go? Okay. All right, we'll go to the bank. All right, we'll take that. Okay, so Junior is $4. 4. Okay, and we will search and save again. Of course. Okay, $5. I'm gonna have to try to shuffle these way better. It's like crazy how it sticks together. Or Easter. There we go. Which one is that one? $4. Come on with all the ones. All right, that is $4. Okay, and we have $5 left. I don't know if I want to chance it. We will go ahead and I can put it in here. We'll do a 3 and a 2 for 5. So this one only needs $6 to be finished. So, and just like that, Monster Town, our $50 is gone. It's crazy how fast that goes. Okay. So we did add $6 into our monster menu. So this one is going to be a big saver. And then we added $5 into our monster movies. We didn't get anything, and that one for the monster cruise ship, we got $5, $6, $7, $8, and $9. And I do like this Monster Town because it is kind of lower denominations, so you can kind of stretch your money out a little farther. So Halloween, we are almost done with Halloween. We have $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, and $18 adding in today. And then if I get one of the bonus cards, I will usually just put it in the envelope that we are currently in, which you'll see whenever next time we get a bonus card. So Monster Daycare got 6. Monster Hospital, Pet Shop, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and then Easter, we just got $4. Oh my goodness, okay. And our florist got 2. So this one will probably take us quite some time to finish, but usually when I finish each section, I will pull it out. So that way we have less to do. So, and that completes our Monster Town box challenge. Next week we will do at the mall for our box challenge. So, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. And I will see you next time. Bye.